Hello everyone, welcome to CS Academy. Today I am going to show you how to read data from the database using primary key. In the last video, I shown you how to read all the data from the database. See here, I am connected to the student data database. Inside that database, I have one table called student. From that table, I retrieved all the data. Whatever that data is there, no, that I retrieved and I printed that on the console. Now I will show you how to read the single data using primary key. Let's write the code here. I will write the code to retrieve single data from the student table. These lines of code to connect to the database. Now I will write the SQL query and I will execute that query. Then we can fetch the data from the database. We need to write the query inside the triple quote in Python. Select star from student. Here we need to write the table name. We need to write the table name inside this symbol. Okay. Select star from student, where we need to enclose this column name also, these quotes, where student ID is equal to, we need to mention the student ID. See here, we have this much of data. I will retrieve this 102. We can retrieve anyone. I will give this student ID 102. Now I am done with writing the query. Select star from student, where student ID is equal to 102. Now I need to create the cursor object. Using connection object, we will get the cursor object. I will store that into the one variable. Now I need to execute the query using this cursor object. Execute method will execute the query. After that, we will get the one record. If we are retrieving all the record, then we are giving the fetch all method. If we are retrieving a single record, then we need to give fetch one, my cursor dot fetch one. This method we need to give. This will give one record. I need to store that record inside one variable. After that, I will print that record. Now I done with writing the code. See here I wrote the connection code. After that I wrote one SQL query to retrieve the data from the database. Then I created one cursor object. Using that cursor object, I am executing that query. After that I am fetching the record. After that I printed that record here. Let's save this code. Let's run this code. See here, we are getting the output. It printing this statement connecting to the database. After that, this connection is successful. So we are getting this connection is successful print statement. After that, we are executing this query. So this print statement get executes. So we are getting 10 student ID as 102 and student name Sachin. After that, database connection is closed. If you want to retrieve the other student, then let's change the, see here, I will give the student ID as 5 here. Now run. See, we got single data using the primary key. See, single data we are getting. Now I done with reading the data from the database using primary key. In the next video, I will show you how to update the data present in the database. If you like this video, please hit a like button and subscribe for my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.